Hey, on this old house, we are painting doors and putting locks on the doors. Won't you see? This beautiful puppy was done by my wife. And the back side of the door was painted by moi during the ECU football game. Yesterday I spent the day in here. Noticed the TV and the two doors that needed painted. Took me about the whole game. Plain and smart. Today I'm putting the doorknobs on the doors. As you can see here, this one is almost ready to be installed. After the two screws, drill 2 holes, secure it with the screws, tighten down on each side, go over to the jamb and do the same. That's pretty much it. We've spent the past 3 days doing this. Actually, Megan has done all of it. I've only completed maybe 4 or 5 doors because I'm a slacker. Well, that's all for now. TTFN.